Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to do something a little different. Kevin and I have an annual tradition of doing Valentine's weekend away every Valentine's Day, and this time we are in Las Vegas and driving down to Sedona. So come along with us and check out our Valentine's Day adventure. Also, if you are interested in learning how I got this makeup look right here, let me know down in the comments and I'll make a video for you guys on this. We got our car, a little baby, what is it? Infinity. Kevin's driving. We're going towards Old Route 66 on our way to Flagstaff, where we're staying tonight. Should be fun. So we just got to Flagstaff and we're getting ready to go walk around downtown, maybe grab some dinner, check out one of the breweries. So after the long road trip, I like to freshen up real quick before we go out on the town. So what I did is just kind of freshen up my makeup a little bit. I threw in some dry shampoo and of course some hairspray just to pump up the volume on my hair again, and I'll show you what products I brought along with me for this trip. So I brought along this Dove Refresh and Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. This smells so good, you guys. I think it was like $2 at my local CVS, and so far I really like it. The other one I'm traveling with is just a simple Tresemme hairspray. So just to kind of brush through my hair, give me a little bit more volume and hold on my curls, I throw this in. Are you ready to hit the town? Where did you want to go? You're not cooperating.
Motorcycle auction.
Kevin loves to look at auctions and eBay. It's his addiction. We made it to Sedona. It's a little chilly. You can see the sign back there. Welcome, friends. Really chilly. Taking pictures. So pretty here. We made it to Sedona. We're waiting out a snowstorm, and now we've got a little bit of clear weather, so we're gonna try hiking around Bell Rock because it's just a quick little loop, and apparently it's been raining here for the last 4 days. It's the most rain they've gotten since 2004, so everything's muddy and a lot of trails are closed, so we're gonna do this one. We're caught in the snow. In the red rocks. The snowstorm. It's day 2. We're going back to Sedona. Kevin's driving. We're going really slow though because it's really snowy out again this morning. We've got our Starbucks. We're good to go. We out here. Did you get the shot?
Kinda.
Did you have fun on our hike out to Horseshoe Bend?
Yes.
How do you feel about our morning? We woke up early this morning to a huge blizzard in Page, and so now we're stuck in the car because it's totally snowing and there's zero visibility. We're parked at a overlook to Glen Canyon and it's a total whiteout. So now we're just in the car playing solitaire. Snowing in Antelope Canyon.